Hey there, need to understand your business's financial health at a glance? Generating financial reports in FreshBooks gives you insights into profitability, expenses, and tax liabilities. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to generate them. Click on the Reports tab in the main menu. You'll see a list of standard reports like profit and loss, expenses, sales tax summary, and aged receivables. Select the report you need, choose a date range, and run it. You can then view it on screen, download it as a PDF or Excel file, or even schedule it to be emailed to you regularly. My crucial pro tip: schedule your key reports monthly. Set your profit and loss and balance sheet reports to automatically generate and email to you on the first of each month. This habit ensures you're consistently reviewing your financial performance without having to remember to run them. That's how you make data-driven decisions to grow your business. Which report do you find most valuable for your business decisions? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on business intelligence, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.